The Sigma males, also known as lone wolves, always have a clear vision of the future because they use logical evaluation to figure out how to make things happen for them. Having intellectual challenges brings them great joy because they know that this sharpens their mind. Having strong convictions and enjoying freedom in actions and thoughts is the preferred way of life for the Sigma male. Some may say, I don't like him, while others may say, he is so full of himself. But a Sigma male will never be found engaging in small talk. To have a long-term relationship with a lone wolf, you must be careful what you say to him. You can't always be correct. As someone who thinks carefully before acting, telling a Sigma male, you don't know what you're talking about, is enough to cause a communication breakdown. He specializes in analyzing and processing information before acting. It would be preferable to ask for clarification and explanation before accusing a lone wolf that he sounds like he does not know what he's talking about. Great ideas require a significant amount of critical thinking time to process and analyze. A Sigma male thinks critically most of the time, but he must not be reminded that he thinks too much. Being thought-intensive is a powerful tool for generating brilliant ideas. Sigma males despise being stalked or anyone having control over them. If you tell a Sigma male, you can't do that, he will take any opportunity to prove you wrong. He is self-sufficient and never limits himself, saying, let's do it our usual way, or this is the procedure we're used to, will not work. Also, telling a Sigma male, this solution has always solved the problem, is not going to sit right with him because Sigma males avoid routine practice and the use of rigid steps in problem solving. He dislikes being bound by one method or procedure and prefers to experiment with new approaches. You should get out more. If you say this to a Sigma male, you are incorrect. Lone wolves are highly self-sufficient and rely on their isolation, quietness, and desired timing to think more deeply. As much as possible, avoid putting him in too many social situations. His attendance at social functions cannot be influenced by other people's opinions. You should not deliberately catch a Sigma male off guard. Just showing up and saying, I just wanted to say hello to you, will frustrate a Sigma male. A Sigma male requires peace and solitude to process more information before making final decisions. If you must visit, you must have a valid reason and obtain their permission before proceeding. To avoid stress, Sigma males prefer to plan their social activities ahead of time. Time waits for no man, as the saying goes. Telling a Sigma male he's just wasting his time will not sit well with him because he follows his own thorough process. Lone wolves highly value time and would not tolerate anyone who controls how he spends it. Time is far more important to him than you are. He requires his own time to thoroughly examine everything before reaching a conclusion. Remember that lone wolves are self-sufficient individuals who are aware of the consequences of haste, especially in relation to things over which they have no control. When put in a situation where they must make a quick decision, they choose to opt out. Those who act before they think are doomed to fail. Allow me to demonstrate how it is done. This should never be said to a Sigma male. Allow him to do things his way before interfering, or try showing him the way. Do not try to exert control over Sigma males at work. They are self-sufficient and think faster than you do. Never tell a Sigma male that will never happen. Lone wolves are known for anticipating how events will play out. They are very good at predicting how future events will unfold. You must be cautious not to interfere with their research. Sigma males are very attentive. They know their limits and can detect imposters and liars. They understand when you want to push them past their limits. In order to be a respected man in today's world, you must be mentally tough. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the new videos that come out that are all just for you. See you in the next video.